Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing keto bread. This recipe is so amazing and so versatile. I've done it with olives, wow, out of this world. I've done it with bacon and smoked cheddar cheese. That one was to die for. But today we're going to make the traditional, real simple, keto almond flour bread. You're going to love it. Okay, we're going to start off with our list of real simple ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of almond flour, 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk, a tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We have 3 eggs. We've separated them, egg yolks, egg whites. We're going to beat these egg whites till they're stiff. We also have a 1/2 cup of water, which we're going to bring to a boil when needed. I went out and got this pan. I love this pan. This is not your traditional bread pan. This is an 8 by 4.5 by 3. This pan rocks for this recipe. All right, we're going to add our dry ingredients to this bowl. So we've got our 1.5 cups of almond flour, 5 tablespoons of psyllium husk, teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're going to dry blend those. That way they're nice and mixed. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients together. So we're going to take our tablespoon of butter, pour it into the egg yolk. We're going to take our 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and also pour that into the egg yolk. And I will give this a quick little blend, but not until I finish beating the egg whites stiff. Okay, we're going to start with our wet ingredients. We're going to add and slowly mix. So now we're going to be adding the boiling water. Now we're going to fold in our egg whites. Fold in the egg whites. I told you that this recipe was going to be simple, but the best part about it is not only is it simple, but the results are outstanding. So what I do is, if I'm using other ingredients, so for example black olives or bacon and cheddar, you add those to the dry ingredients and give them a little blend. I'm often adding rosemary. Sometimes I'll top it with cheese in the last 5 minutes. This is going to go into our nice non-stick. I did spray it with some extra virgin olive oil spray. I find that the trick here is I put it in just little gentle sections, clumps for the most part, because as I said earlier, it does not rise. So therefore, you kind of want to give it a little bit of height as you're placing it into your baking bread pan. It's going to go in the oven, 350 degrees, for 45 minutes. You can top it with sesame seeds. That's really it right there. You will see, as you saw the other one that I had taken out, sometimes I'll come in to the sides here, but that's about it. ready for the oven. I've taken it out of the oven. There she is. 45 minutes. Gonna let it rest on this cooling rack for a little while. In the meantime, beautiful, love it. I want to show you what one looks like. This is the one that I made previous. So what I didn't tell you about this one was that I added a secret ingredient. I added a little bit of spice. And I also added a little bit of cilantro to it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.